Hi everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be dipping into dip powders from Bling Galleria, and we're going to be doing a palette cleansing mani. I'm so excited. We've been using a lot of bright colors, and I'm very excited to play with some neutrals. Now these colors here are from Bling Galleria, and they are amazing, and you're going to see all these colors here in action, and we're going to be doing the gel method today. So let's go ahead and enjoy this mani process, and then I will pop back in just a little bit. Alright, so I did the rest of the filing and buffing off camera. It was very simple. All you saw there was me cleaning up the sides, and that's all I had to do with this dip powder. Now on this glitter nail, I'm just going to do a thin layer of gel base and cure that for 30 seconds. And while that's curing, I'm going to finish up the mani with one of my favorite gel top coats. Now the Bling Galleria top coat has a beautiful shine, and it is everything, and I love the viscosity of this formula. It is great for making press-ons, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply that gel top coat on that glitter nail as well and cure this mani for 60 seconds. And here's the finished mani. I love it so much. These colors are perfect. They're great colors, especially if you love neutral or nude colors. These colors you cannot go wrong with. And can we talk about this glitter here for a second? Nude Beach. It is by far an amazing, beautiful glitter, and it applied so great on the nails. It's laying super flat to the nail. I did not have to buff the top of that or anything like that. It laid very flat with the gel method, and you know me, I love glitters that work really well with the gel method. So I'm completely in love with this glitter, and not only is it sparkly in all its goodness, but it really complements the colors that we use in this mani as well. And it kind of looks like a Nude Beach is like the perfect name for it because it has like a sand, has different like sand tones to it. It's just overall a very unique and gorgeous glitter, and it does have a little bit of holographic shifty to it as well. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, and I will see you all in the next upload.